What's the most random skill you have that never fails to impress people? I'm barely okay at drawing. People think you are a magician if you can draw anything beyond basic stick figures. Reply. I'm extremely good at drawing stuff that I can look at and replicate. But if I have to draw from imagination, it looks like a third grader did it. I can't see things in my head and put it to paper. It's very frustrating. I can create a photorealistic drawing of my wife while looking at her. But if you tell me to sit down in an empty room and draw my wife from memory, I couldn't do it to save my life. Brains are weird. Another one. I spray gas from a lighter into my closed fist and then light it. When I open my hand, a fireball appears. It's a great little trick that people love. Reply. Stupidly showed my 11-year-old this the other day. Don't even smoke, but have a few lighters for candles around the house. Needless to say, they've all had to be hidden now. Wife just gave me a look of disappointment as she walked in the room. LOL.